Welcome all. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can stabilize your video with manual edited camera flow paths with the free stabilizer version 0.4. At first, we take a look to the output performance. The stabilized camera movements of this handheld clip are perfect. There are almost no slow back bouncing movements, and the image does not show any micro jitters. You can expect perfect results when you stabilize slow-moving content. When stabilizing faster movements, you can see some wobbling in the horizontal direction and a small fast vertical-only zooming effect. This is caused by the rolling shutter time or recording time from each frame of this camera. The effect is called rolling shutter effect, and it will be compensated in the future with a non-free pro version of this software. Let's take a look how this stabilization can be done. At first, we create new project for a new video. Then we select the source video, press on Analyze Source Video, and save the project. The analyzing process can take a while. After the analyzing process is done, we press Calculate Camera Flow the first time. If you reopen the project and the Analyze Source Video was done before, you just press Read Analyze Data, and you do not need to wait very long again. Now it is possible to press the Calculate Camera Flow button to see the results too. Then we take a look at the stabilized graphs of this video. The cyan area is the possible area of the stabilized camera path, showing no black borders with the selected crop. Alternate the yellow line of show margin does show the same distance to the black border of the stabilized video. If the yellow show margin value drops below 0, black borders can be seen in the video. There are now two options available to stabilize your video: the classical way of filtering and the new powerful way of manual path editing. Both options can be used mixed for every video. Let's find a usable section and define the crop we want to use for the video. The first approach is to set up the filter to an usable value. I recommend to use the default filter type 3 and just setting the filter strength by adapting the filter depth value. To apply and check the settings, we always press the Calculate Camera Path button. Now we stay with our export graph into the area where no borders can be seen in the video. The total movements of the camera are significantly reduced by the new path. In sections with less unwanted camera movement is room for further improvement. We can stop here and export the video now, or continue improving the stabilization output. The improvement is archived with editing a custom path into the slow-moving sections. At first, we create a manual edit section. Then we zoom into the first section we want to edit. Now we change panning plus zooming to add manual path points and press the left mouse on the graph plot where the new path should be. And press Calculate Camera Path again. After setting the points up roughly, we now do fine-tuning the camera path points by changing the frame position, the pixel offset, removing or adding further points. We also have to do this for the other axis. When we compare this to the manual edited filtered paths, you can notice a big improvement in movement reduction here. Beside this, the needed crop can be reduced with the manual edited paths, because it is now possible to follow the source video closer in fast critical sections. Because we do not want to edit the whole video camera path, the manual path editing is split into sections. We now start a second section by creating a new section. We switch to Add Manual Path Points and add the new points to the next section. The points will be added to the closest section, or if there is an empty section, this section will be used automatically. Now you know the process of manual editing. If you want to stabilize an already edited video with cuts, I also can recommend you to use the Ignore section list by setting the values manually or using the Add Local or Global Ignore section function by pressing and panning the Ignore section in the plot graph. On the end, we check the results in the preview player and export the video for further editing. Don't forget to save your settings and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your donations to support this work for me, and good luck editing your videos.